Hello friends, I am Milanova. Many times parents or students have asked me to explain what is the correct bow hold and how to do it at home. First of all, it is very important that the right hand is placed naturally without any tension. We stand with our arms and shoulders relaxed and we lift the right hand with the palm up. Then we place the bow between the first and second joint of the index finger, closer to the second joint. We bend slightly the thumb and place the tip on the stick. We leave the fingers slightly rounded and we place the pinky on top of the stick. Then we turn the hand and the hold looks like that. In the beginning, and while we build the habit of holding the bow correctly, it's easier to practice placing the hand a little bit higher on the bow. It takes away a little of the bow's weight and makes it easier for the pinky to stay rounded. There is an easy way to practice the bow hold at home. We place a music stand and at the height of the waist, and we place the bow with the frog sticking out. Then we lift our hand palm up and we place it as I explained earlier. A good exercise for getting used to the bow's weight is the imitation of a parking barrier. The movement has to be done with the whole forearm and our shoulders should be relaxed. The fingers should keep their natural rounded shape. Thank you for watching. I am Milanova. If you like this video, please like our Facebook page Método Milanov. I hope to see you again soon.